his madhab. And according to Ibn Wahab, he says that one day some people came and asked Imam Malik that while doing wudu, do we have to wipe between the web spaces of the toes? Imam Malik said, the Prophet did not do that. It's not required. After everyone went away, Ibn Wahab, he told Imam Malik, and he quoted the hadith, and he gave the narration, and gave the name of the Rawi, that the Prophet, in wudu, he wiped his web spaces between the toes. So Imam Shafi said, yes, that is a good hadith, that's a Sahih hadith. And later on, whenever anyone asked Imam Malik, that should we wipe between the web spaces, between the toes, he said yes. He's changed his opinion. So whatever belongs to the Sahih hadith, his opinion was of the Sahih hadith. And Imam Malik, may Allah's mercy be on him, he said that I am a human being. I can err and sometimes I'm correct. I can err, I can make a mistake and sometimes I'm correct. But if any of my opinions go against the book of Allah and his messenger, discard my opinion. Same thing. If any of the opinions of Imam Malik, may Allah be pleased with him, he said, may Allah's mercy be on him, that if you find any of my fatwa, any of my opinion which goes against Allah and Rasul, reject my opinion, discard my opinion. So the Malakis, when they offer salah, they put their hands at the side. But when we read in the hadith of Abu Dawud, volume number 1, hadith number 755 and 757 says that you should tie your hands below the navel, but it's a Zaif hadith. Both these hadith are Zaif according to Imam Abu Dawud. Abu Dawud, volume number 1, hadith number 756 says that keep the hand above the navel, which is more strong than the Zaif hadith. But the next hadith, Abu Dawud, volume number 1, hadith number 758. Abu Dawud, volume number 1, hadith number 756 says that keep the hand above the navel, which is more strong than the Zaif hadith. But the next hadith, Abu Dawud, volume number 1, hadith number 758. It says that when you keep your hands during salah on your chest, and it says this is the stronger hadith, though this is a mursal hadith. Mursal means there is a link missing in between. But in the commentary it says it is the strongest than the other hadith. Even if you read the hadith of Sayyid ibn Khuzaimah, it says that the Prophet kept his hand on his chest when he offered salah. Even that is a mursal hadith, but along with other hadith, Sheikh Nasruddin al-Albani has classified it as sahih. So it is the strongest of all the hadith where to keep your hand. The strongest is keep on the chest. So when I offer my salah, I keep my hands on my chest. Therefore I say I am a Pakka Malaki. Imam Malik said, if you find any of my fatwa which goes against Allah and his Rasul, you reject my fatwa. So if the Malikis say that Imam Malik said keep your hands on the chest, the story is different, but assuming he said that. But he said if you find my fatwa which goes against Allah and his Rasul, reject my fatwa. So I rejected his fatwa and I keep my hand on the chest. Therefore I am a Pakka Malaki, 100% Sawfi.